Starter Michael Sims is ready. And now they're off and racing. Came out in a beautiful line as Hickory Slim wants to prompt the pace. So running down to the back stretch, and Hickory Slim was on the pace, taken off the pace as Bushfire now prompts it. Bushfire, Blue Sensation, Design Diva out there. Hickory Slim watching them from fourth. Then comes King Pie just on the inside. That's Princess Cataly on the outside. Sneaky Joe, and racing at the back of the field. That's Bush. That's Dancing in the Breeze. They head toward the four, and on that lead, Bushfire, content to lead. Bushfire in front of Hickory Slim back there in second, right there too. That's Design Diva also in the mix and hidden from view. That's Blue Sensation coming with purpose. That's King Pie, about 6 or 7 lengths of Princess Catalea, then another 8 before we come to Sneaky Joe, and totally out of it, that's Dancing in the Breeze. They're coming at the top of the lane, many chances. Who wants the money? As they're at the top of the lane, Blue Sensation, just the leader from King Pie coming out wide. Chris Lim is right against the rail. Design Diva is trying to pick them off too, but it's Blue Sensation in front of King Pie coming on the outside. Blue Sensation still there. Chris Lim, it's Blue Sensation. Here come King Pie on the outside, and King Pie and Blue Sensation, these two fighting for it. It's Blue Sensation finding on King Pie on the outside, and King Pie, Blue Sensation, a tight finish. It's King Pie beating Blue Sensation. Then comes Hickory Slim, maybe Princess Catalea back and forth. In the winners enclosure, the unofficial winner of race number 4, the We Jamming, the champion 2-year-old for 2025, number 8, King Pie. 5-year-old Chestnut Horse by Admiral Alex. Jamaican Pharaoh by Merkle Man. Brett Carl Anderson, owner IX Bjorn. Train Anthony Baba Nunes, the winning rider. Very good ride from Anthony Allen, the groom Paul Allen second. Number 6, Blue Sensation. Third, number 3, Hickory Slim, fourth. Number 4, Princess Catalea. Final time for 7 furlongs, 129 and 2.